So we are headed over to Williamsburg Boulevard now. We're going to take a look at some of the final work that's being done. It's an exciting project for several reasons because it benefited so many people. So it started when we found this property off market and delivered it to one of our builder partners. We actually partnered with him on it, so I'm super excited about that. So we went out and we raised the money for it, right? So whenever you buy an investment property, the bank's not going to give you a 100% loan, but for something like this where it's an investment, the bank wants you to have skin in the game. We went out, we raised the equity for our investors. They're going to get paid 12% on their money, which is outstanding return. But we raised about $250,000 for this project. Bought the lot for roughly $700,000 plus closing costs. It was about 4.5 months of permitting, and then after the permits, the demo happened, the building of the new home. The builder was amazing. Sunil Saxena with Saxena Custom Homes. He built it in about 5 months, which is outstanding, unheard of in the industry. Normally you're a year or longer for a new build, and that's a big home. You'll see it's like 5,000 square feet. We sold it, here's the awesome thing, we sold it before it was finished, pretty close to the end. The buyer will either buy it early in the process where they can still design, input, change the floor plans and cabinets, floors, that kind of stuff. They're really excited. Our team was really excited because Amy did an amazing job selling it. So overall, this is just an amazing project, a complete win for our entire team, and I'm super excited about it. So the big day is here, closing day. Everything is ready to go, and I'm excited for these buyers. I'm excited for our builder, excited for Amy, excited for our investor partners. Overall, it's just a win for everyone. So take a look at some of the photos and some of the finishes and just how beautiful of a home this is. All right, so if you're an investor, you want to invest in builders that can produce quality homes as quickly as possible. So if you're looking to buy in this market, talk to us. We do more business than anyone. If you're looking to invest in this market, whether you're a builder or just want to be a passive investor, talk to us. We know how to put together amazing deals. And if you're thinking about selling, we know how to get you maximum dollar for your home in the least amount of time with the least amount of stress and hassle. So contact us today if you're a builder, a buyer, an investor, a seller, or just want to learn more about real estate.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, leave us some comments. We want to know your feedback, and share this with someone that you think could benefit as well. And if you want to see more great videos, click this playlist up here, or better yet, click right here to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our updates.